ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
National President Jongka National People's Party Cognress Sangma haga pratrik ubenai rempang arjar arpuar ula pediang borom yu MLA Barim Jongka Raksamgre constituency Limison di Sangma syaka parti NPP harengkat ke jingsenran lang jongki nongbut bahajan jong u. Menteri Rang ba ula ongru bandang bun belai seki weipat ki nongelam jong ki sengsan pertai ki bansa penyeso syaka parti NPP ha kini ki kendiat sengi ki bansawan deka jingang not banya trailang neka benta ka roy ka par hapo ki constituency.
I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our former MLA of Raksamgre constituency, Mr. Limison di Sangma, into the NPP family. He had resigned from the Congress party yesterday, and along with his numerous supporters from his area, he has joined the NPP today, and we are all very happy and we welcome him into the NPP family, and I'm sure that with his entry into the National People's Party, the party will grow from strength to strength, not only in Raksamgre constituency but also in the whole of Garo Hills region and the Meghalaya state as a whole.
As all of you know, we were earlier in the Congress party, but now since there's no more leaders in the Congress party, so I also have to leave Congress party and now join the NPP party. It is up to our individual choice. Because in the future also I foresee that this NPP government will come.